Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to perform simple calculations in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you're using is completely up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way. Now, let us get started to the tutorial itself. As you can see currently in my Google Sheets file, I have here a set of numerical values that I would like to perform a simple calculation to. Now, if you do not know how to add and edit simple calculations or numerical value in Google Sheets, please be sure to check out the video on our dedicated playlist in our YouTube channel compiling all the Google Sheets tutorial. When we talk about simple calculations, it means we can either add, subtract, divide, or multiply in Google Sheets. And to do that, it's actually quite simple. Let's say, for example, here in cell B1, I would like to subtract, or rather add, the values that is currently enlisted in cell A1 and cell A2. What I would do is to double click on my cell, press equals, press A1 as this is the first value that I would like to add, and then click the plus sign, and then the next value that we would like to add, which in my case is cell A2. Now from here I can just hit enter, and now as you can see I have here my formula or working formula to perform simple calculations. And to manipulate the formula that is currently in this cell, all you have to do is to double click on that cell, which will open up the formula tab, as you can see. And here we can change it to either minus for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, or slash for division. Just hit enter, and as you can see from here, the active cell, we have the blue dot on the bottom right corner of our screen, and we can just drag along. Now if the operation is not possible, what it will say is an error message. As simple as that, we can perform different simple calculations in Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.